You wake up, blink, and immediately feel it. Your eyes are gritty, red, and irritated, maybe even crusted together at the lashes. It is easy to write this off as generic dry eye, but if the pain hits you the hardest the moment you open your eyes in the morning, you are likely dealing with a specific structural issue, blepharitis or Meibomian Gland Dysfunction. The most effective way to identify the problem is the timing test. Standard aqueous dry eye happens when your body does not produce enough liquid tears. As the day goes on, those limited tears evaporate, leaving your eyes feeling their absolute worst late in the evening. This diagram breaks down the contrast. On the left, standard dry eye worsens by sunset as water evaporates. On the right, Meibomian Gland Dysfunction and blepharitis peak at sunrise. While your eyes are closed overnight, stagnant oils and secretions pool and mat your lashes together. Pinpointing that morning timing tells us exactly what we are fighting. Instead of relying on generic eye drops to just add water, we have to deploy a targeted mechanical routine to clear the blockages. Let's look at the anatomy. These Meibomian glands, tiny vertical organs inside your eyelids, secrete liquid oil called meibum. It coats your tear film, preventing evaporation. But with gland dysfunction, this liquid transforms into a dense, solid paste that physically blocks the gland entirely. This chemical shift raises the oil's melting point. Your standard human body heat of 37 degrees Celsius is simply no longer warm enough to keep it in a liquid state. Because your internal body heat fails to clear the blockage, targeted external thermal intervention is the only way to restart the flow. That brings us to step 1 of your daily hygiene routine, the melt. You will need a microwavable eye mask or a clean washcloth soaked in very warm water. Keep the temperature high, but strictly avoid scalding your skin. Place the compress continuously over your closed eyelids. You must hold it there for 5 to 10 full minutes. This animation shows why duration matters. As the external temperature rises above your normal body heat, it pushes past the diseased oil's elevated melting point. You are slowly forcing that solid paste back into a flowing liquid. If you rush the step or skip the 5 to 10 minute window, the oil stays locked in its solid state. Skipping the melt renders the rest of your routine completely ineffective. Now that the oil is loose, we move to step 2, the cleanse. This step scrubs away dead cells, bacterial toxins, and crusty collarettes at the lash line. To prepare, mix a single drop of gentle baby shampoo into a cup of warm water to create a highly diluted cleansing solution. Then, dip a clean cotton bud into the mixture. Pull your eyelid gently taut. Sweep the cotton bud strictly along the outer base of your eyelashes to physically wipe away the debris. Absolutely do not scrub the inside of your eyelid. Making contact with the inner surface will trigger severe surface irritation and scratch the eye. If the idea of baby shampoo near your eye causes anxiety, plain warm water on the cotton bud is a highly effective substitute. By sequentially melting the trapped oil and physically scrubbing away external bacterial crusts, you are directly dismantling the 2 root causes of your morning eye pain. Blepharitis and Meibomian Gland Dysfunction are chronic conditions. Perform this routine daily for 3 to 4 weeks before expecting significant, lasting relief. If symptoms persist after a month, doctors use a stage treatment plan. Stage 1 is daily hygiene. Stage 2 adds artificial tears. Stage 3 requires prescription macrolide antibiotics or steroids. Finally, Stage 4 utilizes advanced therapies like intense pulsed light and thermal pulsation. You have the ability to take control of your comfort today using the baseline routine. And if daily hygiene is not enough, you now know exactly when and how to comfortably escalate your treatment with an